Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our team presentation. For our APL team project presentation, I will introduce myself and my teammate. Hi, I am Nopar Islam and my teammate is Nasiruddin Ahmed. For our APL project, we have made a digital clock. By using igraphics.h library, we made this digital clock. The work process is really simple. Platforms. The program will gonna run on Windows 7 or later versions. C programming language is used to create this program, and Microsoft Visual Studio is the program to run this program. So, how does it work? The program starts from the int main function. It takes input of current time as hour, minute, second from the user. Clock move function is being called after every 1000 millisecond, which is equals to 1 second, by iSet timer function. Play sound plays clock sound. iInitialize sets the dimension of display screen and sets the title name of the program. #include igraphics.h is being used to visualize the movement, sound, and etc. coordinates of the clock. Void clock move. This is our own function. We made this function. Now let's look at this function and we'll try to figure out what this function does. At first, variables were initialized. It's done in the beginning of this function. In void clock move function, for the first digit of every hour, minute, second, the inputted hour, minute, second were mod by 10. For the second digit of hour, minute, second, the inputted hour, minute, second were divided by 10. The clock starts from second. The values of second has been increased. When the value becomes equal to 60, it means the value of second, the value of minute will gonna increase. When it becomes 60 minutes, the value of hour will be increased. So that was my part. Now I want to ask my teammate to continue the presentation. Nasir, over to you. Good afternoon everyone. I am Nasiruddin Ahmed and I will continue my presentation, and I want to thank Mopa for giving me the chance to say something about our project. Now my part, we're gonna start from here. I will describe from void idraw function. Void idraw. In the void idraw function, at first we use iClear function. It's being used to clear the previous images. According to the calculation and the logic, the program will show BMP format images of digits. iDraw function will draw the image of digital clock after every 1000 millisecond, which is equals to 1 second, as the clock moves. iText function is being used to write text strings in the screen. So this is the latest model of creating the image of our clock. Look at the left side. It shows the hour, minute, and second digits. From the left of our rectangular box, you see there is a 03. The 0 is representing the second digit of hour. 3 is representing the first digit of hour. If we go right, then we found another digit. It's 15. It's representing the minute. 1 is representing the second digit of minute, and 5 is representing the first digit of minute. We'll move little bit right. We will find 08. It representing the value of second, and 0 is representing the second digit of second, and 8 is representing the first digit of second. If you look right, then you will see how the clock works. When we give input of hour, minute, and second, the second will gonna run. Suppose we give the input 08, so from 08 the clock will gonna run, and the value of second will be increased. So we use second plus plus, which means the previous value of second will be increased by 1. So it will be 8, 9, 10, and it will run until it becomes to 60. When the second is greater than or equals to 60, then it means 1 minute is completed. Then the second will start from again 0. Because the minute was increased, so we used minute plus plus to increase the value of minute. Then when it is 60 minutes, then 1 hour will be completed. Then the clock will start again. So for that reason, we used second is equals to 0 and minute is equals to 0. As it's a digital clock, so we used 24-hour time format. So when the value of hour is equals to 24, before that, if it becomes 23, 59, then it shows that it's a 24 format time. So when it's 24, then the clock will start again from 0. So for that reason, we used second is equals to 0, minute is equals to 0, and hour is equals to 0. We made this program and we faced some challenges. Let's look at the challenges. The challenge was creating the function to move the clock, creating the images, and showing the time perfectly. What have we learned? We learned how to use the iGraphics library. We learned how to use the C programming language in practical field. We learned about programming development, and we learned how to work in a group. The benefits: our clock is easy to use. It is fun to make this sort of program, and obviously it's nice looking. The components for our program, we use BMP format pictures. The dimension of the pictures is 128 into 128, and its bit depth is 32. And for the tic-tac sound, we use wave format audio clip. Remember, this program only supports BMP format pictures and wave format sound files. So I have done my presentation. If you have any question about our project, then you can ask us and we will try our best to give the answers. So no query? Okay, thank you very much everyone for watching our presentation. I hope this presentation have entertained you. So have a good day and thank you again. That's the end.